Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide applications on your iPhone 17 Pro. To hide any application from your home screen, you have to hold the finger on that. Here, tap on the Remove app. Tap Remove from home screen. And now, as you can see, your application is hidden. To find this application, go to the app library over here and search for this application over here. As I remember, we have cleared files. Here, as you can see, we have files and we can open them. To drag them back again, we do have them here now. We have to hold our finger on that, and that's how we do this. Goodbye!